volleyball fans, Masantos, Yaagaw, ud si kayo namin. It is now our second game here at Women's Division in the Western Conference of the Governor's Cup Intertal Volleyball Tournament 2026. So for our game 2, we will be witnessing a battle between Municipality of Anda versus Municipality of Agno. Infanta rather. So both teams are ready. Kaya naman, just stay here in our live stream, Pangasinenses, at i-comment nyo na kung sinong gusto nyong team ang manalo on our second game. This is Marnian Fabito, your courtside reporter, and let the game 2 begin.
Good morning once again to all our volleyball fans joining us here inside the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center, and to everyone watching us live from different parts of Pangasinan. Thank you for spending your Saturday morning with us as we continue the exciting action in the Governor Ramon V. Kiko III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference.
Before we begin our second match of the day, we would like to once again acknowledge our beloved Governor, Ramon V. Guico III, for his unwavering dedication to sports development here in Pangasinan. Through his vision and leadership, tournaments like this continue to inspire young athletes, strengthen camaraderie among our municipalities, and provide an excellent platform for local volleyball talents to shine. Governor, thank you for your continued support of Pangasinan sports. Truly, Pangasinan ang galing.
Now it's time for our second women's division matchup. Stepping into the court is Team Infanta, currently carrying a 1-4 win-loss record. Although they suffered a defeat in their last outing, the team has had nearly 2 weeks of rest before returning to competition today. That break has given them valuable time to recover, regroup, and prepare for today's match. Expect Team Infanta to come into this match refreshed, motivated, and eager to turn things around as they look to add another victory to their campaign.
On the other side of the net is Team Agno, currently with a 0-6 record. While the standings may not yet reflect the effort they have shown throughout the tournament, this team continues to display resilience and determination every time they step up on the court. They are coming off another tough loss, but every new match presents a new opportunity to rewrite the story. Today could very well be the day they secure that long-awaited breakthrough victory.
Both teams enter this match hungry for redemption. Infanta hopes to make a successful return after their extended break, while Agno aims to end their losing streak and finally get into the winning column. With both squads eager to prove themselves, we can certainly expect a competitive and spirited battle from first serve to the final point.
Who will rise to the occasion? Will Team Infanta make the most of their time off and bounce back with a victory? Or will Team Agno finally break through and celebrate their first win of the tournament? We are about to find out.
I'm Maria Victoria Ferrer.
Together with Joseph Soriano,
This is the Governor Ramon V. Kiko III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. over received. De Guzman will send it over. Santos is set sa open but free ball. De Guzman to the middle. And the first point for Team Infanta. Serving jersey number 12. De Guzman si set kay Telio. Too strong. Drop ball. Maniago si set para kay Milanio. But double contact violation.
On the deck serving, jersey number 3, De Guzman.
Too strong for that serve.
Serving jersey number 5, Etak.
Service error. Now in the service zone, jersey number 14, Santos. Good serve. De Guzman is set sa 4. Andun si Maniago. Libero will play setter here. Net violation and a point for Team Infanta.
Santos. Free ball para sa Team Infanta. Maniago tenas para kay Milanio. Andun si Coladilla. De Guzman to Telio. An attack error for jersey number 8.
And early timeout here for Team Agno. Our official score is 6-2.
Santos. Telio bibigay ng free ball. Maniago sa gitna. That is out. Point for Team Agno. Now on the service zone, jersey number 8, Telio.
Paborian. Milanio will give a free ball. And then si Telio. De Guzman is set kay Espejo. And back-to-back points here for Team Agno.
Telio. Andun si Santos. Mercado. Tinas para kay Milanio will give a free ball. De Guzman to Espejo. Free ball bibigay ng Team Infanta para sa Team Magno. De Guzman to Tolentino. Maniago to Milanio. De Guzman. Maniago is there. Official score is 7, serving 4. Melanio on the service zone. Free ball para sa Team Infanta. Maniago to Paborian. De Guzman to Tolentino. That won't work for Team Magno. 4-point lead for Team Infanta. 8 serving 4.
Sinet sa middle. Maniago. Espejo. Free ball for Team Infanta. Maniago isiset para kay jersey number 12 and a point for Team Infanta. 5-point lead here. 9 serving 4.
Serving jersey number 13. Maniago to Paborian. De Guzman to Espejo.
Net violation committed by jersey number 1, Paborian. Maniago si net para kay Bukat. Itinaas sa gitna. Drop ball. Works for jersey number 1. Pinabawi kaagad.
Paborian now serving. De Guzman to Tolentino. Net violation there called on Team Magno. 5-point lead para sa Team Infanta. 11 serving 6.
Maniago isiset sa open. Drop ball. Another point for Team Agno.
Jersey number 12 serving, Espejo. Maniago. Attack error there by jersey number 5. Espejo. Maniago. To the open. Andun si Tolentino. Tolentino. That will work for Tolentino. Baba sa dalawang kalamangan ng Team Infanta. 9 serving 11. Maniago. To the open. Andun si Telio. De Guzman. To Tolentino.
Push by Etak to the open, but that is outside for jersey number 17. Maniago. Good serve. De Guzman is a set para kay Coladilla. Andun si Melanio. Maniago to Buka. Trap ball works for jersey number 12.
Maniago serving. That will call outside. Tolentino.
Drop ball by Etak. De Guzman gets the point. Maniago. Backset kay Bukat. Andun si Tolentino. De Guzman. Free ball for Team Infanta. Melanio will set it to Bukat. Drop ball again. And Santos gets the point. Official score 14-11. 3-point lead here ng Team Infanta. De Guzman is set para kay Telio. Sa open, andon Maniago. Backset kay Santos. But net violation there called on jersey number 8. Sharp serve. Free ball. Maniago isiset sa gitna. Free ball.
Maniago sets back to Santos. That will work for Team Infanta. Five-point lead here for Team Infanta. Make that 4. 16-12. Jersey number 3 now serving De Guzman. Attack now serving. And that is a service ace for Team Infanta. 6-point lead here. Attack still serving.
De Guzman is set para kay Nebre, but no check ball there. And Agno will use their final timeout. Official score 19-12. 7-point lead here. Balik po tayo dito sa ating laro. This is the first set of the second match, Team Infanta versus Team Agno. Maniago is set sa gitna. And that catches the line for jersey number 1, Paborian. Substitution here for Team Agno. 17 out, 4 in. For Team Infanta, 12 out, 3 in.
Etak.
Service ace for jersey number 5. Substitution here. Santos out, Bautista in.
Etak still serving. That will go outside. Point for Team Agno. Substitution. Bona in. Coladilla out. Bona. Maniago to Paborian. Point for Team Infanta. Bautista. Andun si Nepal. De Guzman hinabol ang bola. Hindi na magagawa ng paraan ni Espejo. Point for Team Infanta. 10-point lead here. 23 serving 13.
De Guzman is set sa open. Maniago to Milanio, and Milanio gets the point. You're now at set point.
Bautista serving for the set. Nepal is there. De Guzman to Espejo. Maniago ginawa ng paraan. De Guzman to Telio. Andun si Bautista. Melanio. Nepal is there. Free ball para sa Team Infanta. Maniago 1-2 play. Andun si Telio. De Guzman to Telio. Off speed attack. Maniago to Melanio. That is out. Point for Team Agno. On the deck to serve jersey number 8, Telio.
Paborian is set kay Melanio. Free ball, but that is outside. 24-15. Still serving. Telio. Good serve. Maniago si set sa middle. Another error here committed by Team Infanta.
Telio.
Maniago is set para kay Melania. Drop ball. Nandun si Nepal. De Guzman will set it to Espejo. Straight to the net.
That ends our first set. Score is 25-16. Infanta wins the first set. are still watching this live here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center in Lingayen, Pangasinan. This is the match between Agno and Infanta. This is the start of the second set. First to serve, jersey number 8, Maniago.
Sharp serve. De Guzman. Free ball for Team Infanta. Maniago. Set kay Etak. Maniago will set it to Bukat, but first point for Team Agno.
Jersey number 3 serving, De Guzman. The service is for Team Agno, courtesy of jersey number 3. De Guzman. Nebre para sa free ball. Maniago. Point for Team Infanta. 2-1. Official score. Bukat serving. De Guzman. Totelio sa gitna.
Good.
Jersey number 5 serving, Etak.
Service error committed by Etak. Our official score is 4-2. Lamang ng dalawa ang Team Agno.
Telio.
Paburian. Sinet kay Melanio, and that is inside. Bautista received. De Guzman, sinet kay Nebre. Andun si Bautista. Maniago will set it to Paburian, but straight to the net. Another point for Team Agno.
Nebre serving. Paburian. Free ball ibibigay ni Melanio. De Guzman to Tolentino. That attack will go straight to the net. Point for Team Infanta. Lamang na po ngayon ang Team Infanta. 5 serving for Melanio. Maniago to Paborian in the middle, and then si Telio. De Guzman to Espejo. Maniago is there. And Bukat, the drop ball shot works.
Milanio serving. Too strong for jersey number 16. We are tied at 6.
Espejo.
Drop ball. Tataas para kay Tolentino. Andun si Maniago. Serving. Espejo. Maniago is set para kay Bukat. De Guzman. Attack error for Team Agno. Good serve. Sinet para kay Coladilia. Maniago will set it to Bukat. Andun si Espejo. De Guzman. Sinet sa open. And drop ball works for Tolentino.
Tolentino. Good service. Maniago sets back to Bukat. Coladilla fires a free ball. And that
Timeout for Team Infanta. 10-7. Lamang ng tatlo ang Team Agno. Tolentino. Maniago is set kay Bukat. Andun si Espejo. De Guzman will set it to Telio but gives a free ball. Maniago to Etak. Miscommunication on the part of the setter and the captain. Tolentino. Another free ball for Team Infanta. De Guzman. Crossing violation there. Another point for Team Infanta. Substitution for Team Agno. De Guzman out, Bona in. Free ball for Team Infanta. Maniago back set to Santos and si Telio. Espejo is set para kay Coladilia. Bukat to Etak and that catches the lines. Another point for Team Infanta.
that will serve outside.
Isa ang Team Agno.
Bona now serving. Melanio is there. Maniago, tinaas para kay Santos. And that is outside. Point for Team Agno. Bona. Maniago to the middle. Etak is there.
Eleven serving 12. Bukat. And the service ace for Bukat. Substitution. Nebre out. Nepal in.
Nepal.
Tinasang bola, free ball for Team Infanta. Maniago, si set para kay Melanio. Doug. Free ball for Team Infanta. Maniago to Melanio. Drop ball. Works for the captain of Team Infanta.
Team Infanta now leads 13-12. Bukat. That will go straight to the net. Coladilla. Maniago to Melanio. Deflected. Bona to Telio. That will work for Telio. Point for Team Agno. Coladilla.
Maniago will send it over. Bona, easy set. Para kay Espejo. All 14.
Jersey number 5 serving. Etak. Bona to Espejo.
And Agno will call for time. Lamang na ng isa ang Team Infanta. Joust. Bukat isiset kay Melanio. Free ball, but that will go outside. So another point for Team Agno.
Jersey number 8 now serving. Telio.
Sharp serve.
Maniago. Tumilanyo. Andun si Coladilla. Telio, itinaas para kay Tolentino. Ginawa ng paraan. Andun si Santos. Maniago. Tumilanyo. Drop. Espejo. Tinaas para kay Tolentino. Free ball para sa Team Magno. Bona. To Espejo in the middle. Works for Team Magno. Telio. Maniago to Paborian. Enforced error there for Team Infanta. Substitution. Bukat out. Bihar in. Telio. Santos.
Good serve. And a service ace for jersey number 14.
Santos. Bona. To Tolentino. Drop ball. Andun si Maniago. Paborian itataas para kay Milanio. Milanio. Off speed attack. Nepal is there. Tolentino. Paborian. Espejo. Off speed. Free ball para sa Team Magno. Bona. To Tolentino. Maniago. That's to Milanio. Dog. And that will be a point for Team Infanta. Service error for Team Infanta. Nepal now serving. Maniago to Paborian in the middle. That is outside.
Deadlock
Point.
at 18. No, sorry, that's 19-18. And a service ace for jersey number 4.
Nepal. Milanio. Andun si Nepal. Free ball para sa Team Infanta. Maniago. To Paborian. Drop ball. That will work for Team Infanta.
And a service ace for the captain.
Milanio.
Over-received regalo. Itinaas para kay Tolentino. Attack error there for Bihar. Point for Team Agno. 1 point lead here.
Espejo now serving. Over received. Bona. to Tolentino. Maniago to Paborian is blocked, but will go through. Point for Team Infanta. Jersey
All
number 1, serving.
21. Service error. Now in the service zone, jersey number 17, Tolentino. Maniago itataas. Chance ball for Team Agno. Bona. Free ball. Maniago will set it to Etak. High drop ball. Bona kay Coladilia ibibigay.
Maniago. Etak. Bona is there. Coladilla, tinas para kay Telio. Ginawa ng parehan, kaso outside. Point for Team Infanta. We are tied at 22 here in set 2. Maniago. Substitution.
Lamang na ng isa ang Team Infanta. Substitution here. Babalik na si De Guzman.
Maniago.
De Guzman. Isiset para kay Telio. Behar itataas. Free ball for Team Agno. De Guzman to Coladilia, but that is outside, and we are now at match point for Team Infanta. Time out here, Team Agno.
Serving for the match, jersey number 8. Maniago.
Sharp serve, drop. De Guzman. Maniago isiset sa open, drop ball, and si Telio. De Guzman will set it to the middle. Delanya was there. To Behar, blocked. Espejo will set it to Telio. Andun si Maniago. Milanyo itataas. Free ball. De Guzman to Telio. Good ball. De Guzman to Telio. Andun yung libero. And miscommunication there on the part of Team Infanta. Match point saved here.
Buhay pa po ang Team Agno.
Serving, jersey number 3, De Guzman. Good serve. Free ball for Team Infanta. Maniago is set sa gitna. And Etak ends the match. Panalo po ang Team Infanta in 2 straight sets. Congratulations to Team Infanta for winning this match, and congratulations also to Team Agno for giving Infanta a good game.
Infanta
And that ends our Game 2 volleyball fans. Both teams show determination. And that ends our Game 2 Pangasinan. Both teams show determination on our second game. Kita natin ang Teamwork nila from first to second set. But at the end, Infanta got their win. So congratulations to them and also congratulations to the municipality of Agno. And right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team, jersey number 5, having 1 attack, 1 block, and 2 service ace, the total of 4 points. So first of all, congratulations for winning on this game and for being the best player of the game. Ano na naman yung pakiramdam na nakuha nyo ang panalo today after ng sunod-sunod ninyong pagkatalo last weekend?
Sobrang saya po namin. And tapos ano po, ginawa lang po namin yung best namin.
And ano naman ang sa tingin mo kailangan i-adjust sa team ninyo para makabawi pa kayo sa mga upcoming games ninyo?
And siguro po, kailangan pa po namin ng unti pang training, mag-improve, ganun po.
Yan, lastly, sino naman yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan or shout out na fans ninyo na nanonood ngayon and also on our live stream?
Shout out po sa mayor namin, Mayor Dr. Virgilio F. Balyarta. Maraming salamat po sa suportan ninyong binibigay sa mga SB, isang ganayang bayan po na Infanta. Thank you, maraming salamat po sa support. Kay Ma'am Renz po, palagi pong sumusuporta sa amin. And kay Mama po, hi Ma. Wala po siya ngayon. Maraming salamat at alam ko pong nanonood po siya.
And again, congratulations for winning on this game and for being the best player of the game. Pangasinan, that's our wrap for our second game. Abangan niyo po ulit kami on our third game. Again, this is Marnie Ann Fabito, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.
Thank you po.